In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Slack step by step. Group chats are perfect for quick discussions, team coordination, or small project conversations without creating a full channel. Whether you're new to Slack or just want to use it more efficiently, this tutorial will walk you through the exact process. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace. You can do this either through your browser or the Slack desktop app. Once you're inside Slack, you'll land on your main workspace view, where you can see channels, direct messages, and other sections on the left-hand sidebar. This is where most of your navigation in Slack happens, so it's good to get familiar with it. Now, look at the left sidebar and find the section labeled DMs. This is where all your direct messages live, including one-on-one conversations and group chats. Click on the DM section to expand it if it's not already expanded. This will show you a list of recent direct message conversations you've had with other people in your workspace. Next, we're going to start a new message. To do that, look for the New Message button, which usually appears as a plus icon or a pencil and paper icon near the DM section. Click on that New Message button to open a fresh chat box. This is the same starting point you would use for a one-on-one message, but we're going to turn it into a group chat instead. Once the new chat box opens, you'll see a field at the top labeled To. This is where you choose who will be included in the conversation. Click on the To field and start typing the names of the people you want to add to the group chat. As you type, Slack will automatically suggest team members from your workspace. Click on each name to add them to the conversation. You can add 2 people, 3 people, or even more, depending on how large you want the group chat to be. After you've added everyone you want, Slack will automatically create a group direct message. At this point, you're officially inside a group chat. You can type your message in the message box at the bottom and hit enter to send your first message to the group. Everyone you added will be able to see and respond in real time. One important thing to know is that Slack group chats don't need to be named manually. Slack will automatically name the chat based on the people included, but you can still manage it like any other conversation. You can also add more people later by clicking on the members icon at the top of the chat and inviting additional teammates if needed. Group chats are great for quick updates, short discussions, or temporary collaborations. If the conversation becomes long-term or grows larger, you might want to consider creating a dedicated channel instead. But for fast communication, group chats are usually the easiest and quickest option. And that's it. You successfully created a group chat on Slack and can now start collaborating with multiple teammates in one place. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.